that's what he sacrificed because he was getting ready to say, he's getting ready to give it to him,
kill his own son.
Kill his son.
Yeah.
But God said, stop. No. Wait. All right? I made provision, and there was a ram. Now, the interesting thing about, think about this. Rams don't normally climb up that high on mountains. I didn't know that. Yeah, they don't normally climb in those
Do goats
elevations.
do it?
No, I don't think rams and goats and stuff. No, they don't just decide to climb up mountains. So that was God sent. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Well, who would know that but him? Of course, T.D. Jakes would know stuff like that. That rams don't climb that high. Yeah, I never thought about that.
He researched that, huh?
Yeah, he did.
He had to.
And so then, when he broke it down like that, and the other thing he said too is you got to have an open ear because what if Jacob, what if he didn't hear the Lord when the Lord said, no, don't kill your son.
Yeah. He could have killed his son.
He could have killed the son.
Right.
So that just kind of lets you know that, you got to have a relationship with God. So when he speaks, you can hear him just before you sacrifice your daughter. I mean, your child.
Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? Really?
Yeah, so, that just kind of, now that revelation right there, that little piece was like, make you want to think. So, yeah, I really need to listen, because I might just, what I'm saying, that's serious, kill your own child.
Right.
That's really, really serious.
For what?
So, if he hadn't heard, he hadn't been sensitive to the voice of the Lord, he'd kill his son.
You better
and God
preach.
would be like, I was trying to tell you not to do it, but you know what? He wouldn't have known that until he died and went up to heaven, and God would say, you know what? I was telling you, don't do it, though. You just didn't listen. You couldn't hear me. But I'm so glad.
Thank the Lord.
Hallelujah. He heard a word from, or was that Abraham? This is awful. It's not